Wagwan people.
Wagwan.
Peace as always.
Peace.
We've been getting some questions, and there's one particular question I'm not even gonna lie to you, we've been trying to ignore. It keeps on coming up in the comment.
Very much.
Yeah, in terms of safe, um, being safe in Jamaica.
Yeah, so basically safe places to live or travel in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Which the disclaimer is, go ahead, give your disclaimer.
Yeah, there are no safe places. I mean, come on. I mean, look what's going on in the world.
Yeah.
You know, if the whole idea is, you're looking for somewhere safe to travel, you're never gonna leave home.
Yeah, stay at home.
Yeah, definitely. Real talk.
But safety, in my opinion, is very relative. You know, you always have to be aware of your surroundings, who you're involving yourself with. If you don't trust the people, then don't travel with them. If you're not feeling comfortable with the situation, don't involve yourself in business that isn't yours. Especially if you're traveling, don't get mixed up in local business or anybody business. You should just, in order to have a good day, just drink lots of water. So I think start there, drink lots of water.
No, I can't do it, trust me.
That's how you stay safe. Mind your business. Drink lots of water.
Yeah.
And you have a good day.
I don't know about the water thing, but definitely minding your own business. But seriously though, because even so, here's what we did now. When we got the question, it just became like, okay, so this is the elephant in the room. Okay, there's stories about Jamaica and whatever else.
Mm-hmm.
So even if you do a research, let's say for example you're one of those people who love to Google or whatever, mm-hmm. the places that come up as being safe, I personally laugh at that because I know they're not safe, right? So it simply means that you're just gonna have to apply some generalities as far as how you interact with people. Mm-hmm. As she said before, you have to draw a line in terms of who you trust, who you don't trust, mm-hmm. who you're gonna roll with, who you don't roll with. While in public, you have to know exactly where you're going.
Yeah, don't show up like all flashy. Like you wouldn't walk around in your neighborhood with a bunch of diamonds on because you're gonna get robbed, right?
So wherever you are,
it's not one specific place in the world where it's more prominent. Like I know travel advisory in a lot of different places they'll sit there and say, because really if you look what the travel advisory says and what's safe, it's pretty much America. And we know that there's so much dangerous situations and shit that you can get yourself into in America. So it's like, it's like six other countries or different like parts of the world. Obviously, I'm being dramatic when I say six, but if you look it up online or look it up at all, there's literally a handful, and it's places that these people, like for one reason or the next. So again, safety is relative. You're as safe as you really put yourself in those situations. So not to say that you being robbed or maimed or anything like that is your fault as a victim. Just saying being precautious is always the first best step.
No doubt. I mean, where today you're going on today. Where are you going? Okay, are you going to the market? There's like about 500, 600, 700, 800 other people around. Okay, all right. Maybe we just need to dress down.
Yeah.
Okay, leave the jewelry, leave the iPhone 15, or even if you have it, just kind of just like not be flashing it.
Yeah.
That kind of a thing.
Don't put your wallet in your back pocket. Having secure back. It's the same thing you would do if you were at home. You're not walking like you're going to a Met Gala. If you're going to the market,
right? You just know when to be conspicuous, know when to be inconspicuous,
right?
Know when you probably need a local to walk with you or go somewhere with you. It's just common sense.
Yeah.
Because people, here's the whole gist of this thing. If you're looking somewhere safe to go, stay home.
Yeah.
And even that is not a guarantee.
Yeah.
Right. So people who ask us about the safety in Jamaica, that's what we basically have to say, because as far as we are concerned, there's nowhere really safe. Just turn on the news.
Yeah.
And tell me what you think. Schools not safe, church not safe. So you can't leave your safety in the hands of anybody.
Yeah.
Say, okay, this area is declared safe, so I can just be there all willy-nilly. No. Take your own safety in your own hands. That's a whole idea. And do as much as you possibly can. So as far as whether or not Jamaica is safe, or whether to go back home or go back to the old neighborhood or whatever, it has nothing to do with anything, because nowhere is safe. That's pretty much it. And we definitely want to hear some comments about this.
And we kind of addressed this in our first Q&A video, where it's like, again, America, we have a lot of gun violence here. In other countries, they might have blunt force trauma.
Oh, yeah,
so it's just, there's going to be violence anywhere you go. You just have to be aware.
You just have to be aware, take your own safety in your own hands, and just apply common sense to the situation, and you'll be fine. Fine, yeah.
Yeah, and I would recommend learning how to fight if you don't know how to be. I'm just playing. 52 blocks, you ever heard of it? Learn it.
Can't do it. Can't do it. Well, 52 blocks, look up 52 blocks, because we be doing that shit. Yeah, we're definitely into 52 blocks. You can Google it. It's pretty cool. But the whole idea is not to win a fight. The whole idea is not to get into one.
Yeah, well,
and that can be done, because I've lived my life.
Right.
We have pretty much lived our life that way, where the smart dude is not the smart dude. He's not the dude who wins the fight, unless you're definitely pressed against the wall. But the smart dude is the one who knows to avoid what
what was
respect to is another thing.
What was the saying that your mom taught you when you were like growing up? Basically, don't bother nobody, but don't,
Yeah, oh yeah. Harm no man, but let no man harm you. That
harm no man, but let no man harm you.
Yeah, and there's another one too. Don't put butter in a puss mouth, meaning that don't tempt people.
Yeah.
Don't tempt people. Don't be flashy. Just ease off with the flossing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Too much flossing is definitely gonna get you. And try to blend at all points. It's just common sense, and it's learning how to switch code. So for those people who want to put their safety as a responsibility of others, into the hand of others, then you're definitely gonna feel your safety is dependent on you. And there are always gonna be situations where you're blindsided, and you just don't know what's going on, and you never expect it to happen. Yeah, we all agree with that. But I'm sure that 90% of the time we can keep ourselves out of danger by just applying common sense. And I'm sure everybody out there, most people will definitely agree. So that's our thing with the safety thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's a disclaimer.
It's in your hands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
Drink lots of water, and figure out what's safe for you.
People. Peace. We done. All right. Bless.